The second corruption trial of former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak resumed today at the Kuala Lumpur High Court. He's accused of embezzling more than $500 million from State Fund 1MDB. On Tuesday, Najib lost his final appeal for a separate and earlier case after the federal court upheld his 12-year jail sentence and a multi-million-dollar fine for corruption. CNA's Melissa Go with this report.
This is the first time that former Prime Minister Najib Razak is reappearing at the KL High Court after his final appeal on the SRC case was dismissed on Tuesday by the federal court, and he was ordered to begin serving his 12-year jail sentence. Now, he didn't come through here at the main foyer. Instead, he was escorted by armoured vehicles and driven straight to the back entrance where the lockup is, away from the public and the media, and brought straight up to the courtroom. Now, 69-year-old Najib Razak was sitting quietly in the dock, clad in a dark blue suit and a bright red tie. Now, his daughter and wife were in the court today. Now, outside the courtroom, prison guards armed with machine guns kept a close watch. Now, Judge Colin Sequeira is presiding over this case that's been described as the mother of all 1MDB trials because it involved a much bigger amount and more complex in nature than SRC International. Now, it concerns proceeds of $3 billion raised by Goldman Sachs back in 2013 for 1MDB. Now, over $600 million were found to have flowed into Najib's two bank accounts in Malaysia through a complex web of foreign entities. Now, the trial began in September 2019 and is still a long way off before we know whether the prosecution has successfully proven its case and Najib needs to enter his defence or not. Now, the prosecution is led by former Judge Gopal Sri Ram. Now, 36 witnesses have been called so far and there's still some 18 to go. Now, outside court, Najib's wife, Rosmah Mansor, stopped to speak to the media briefly.
Alhamdulillah dia sihat dan ada pesanan kepada penonton. Terima kasih banyak kerana datang beri sokongan kepada.
Now, this as he was taken back to prison. Now, he waved to his supporters outside court. Now, they include Syed Muhammad Imran, who staged a rally outside the palace urging the king to grant him a pardon, adding that he won't give up. Now, he will continue to put pressure on Prime Minister Ismail Sabri, he said.
Momentum untuk kami mohon pengampunan untuk Datuk Seri Najib akan kami teruskan. Kami tak nak mengalah sebab dia seorang pemimpin yang baik.
Now, while it remains to be seen whether ex-Prime Minister Najib Razak or his family member will seek a royal pardon, his legal woes is far from over. Tomorrow, he will be back here at the Kuala Lumpur High Court again to face another trial relating to State Fund 1MDB. Now, this time over the tampering of audit report, together with former CEO of 1MDB, Arukanda Sami. Melissa Go, CNA, Jalan Duta, High Court, Kuala Lumpur.